All right, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Fit IT Guy. Today I have some carbon fiber interior trim pieces. These are going to go actually on the doors of the car. So we have the front door piece here, the rear door piece here, and it's going to kind of just sit on just like this. And we know that the new Model Y Performance just came out. It has some carbon fiber trim on the door panels here as well as the dash. I actually got these pieces before the Model Y Performance came out. It was just a cool idea I had. I was like, wow, that's gonna look awesome. I have some carbon fiber inside the car already and some carbon fiber outside. And I'm like, little carbon fiber accents like this are really just gonna spruce up the interior a little bit more, give it a more premium look and a little bit more of a sporty look too on the interior. So we can see how it looks here and it looks awesome. My favorite thing, as you guys know, they have the tape pre-applied already, so all we have to do is peel off the tape backing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you how to install this on the door panels. All right, so just got the tape backing off, but first thing we're gonna do here is use our adhesion promoter that they included, and we're just gonna clean the surface that we're going to mount the carbon fiber piece to. I'm gonna do this on the rear door also. Let's do this, it's gonna clean it and promote it to stick even better. Okay, and as you can see here, I pulled off all the tape backing. So I'm gonna line up the corner of it here, and then I'm gonna push in the left corner here at the same time, and it's gonna fit nice and snug. And we're gonna push the bottom in too at the same time. And as we do that, we're gonna push the top in to stick, and it's a nicely fitting piece here, so it's gonna stick nice and evenly on the door panel here. It's molded just to the exact same shape, so it's gonna fit really, really nicely. And I'm just gonna apply pressure to make sure the tape adheres with the full strength. Okay, I'm actually gonna leave this door open so that the sun can shine on it and it'll actually heat up the tape and it'll stick even better. So we're gonna go over to the next door now, the rear door. And same thing, we're just gonna pull the tape backing off. Okay. And same thing here, I'm just gonna go ahead and get this corner on first. Once it is on, I'm gonna get the top left corner, and then I'm just gonna push down from there. Push down evenly on every piece of this. And we're just gonna hold it down with some pressure, especially on the corners. Make sure everything sticks nicely. And I'm gonna leave this door open for about a minute or two just to let the tape heat up from the sun, give it a little bit more stickiness so it sticks on even better, but we can see just how good that looks. All right, I hope you all enjoyed this video. You can see just how easy it was to install these carbon fiber trim pieces here. You can save with my code TFIG and get yourself some nice accessories. They have a ton of carbon fiber. So thanks again for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you could please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. We're just hitting 3,000 subscribers now. So I'm really happy and thankful for that. Honored to bring you guys some more content. So stay tuned and see you next time.